very good.
Happy birthday to you. Can you wear this?
Can't see anything.
Exactly. So Sneha, you're finally blindfolded. What do you think? Where are we heading? What's happening?
So you already told me that you're taking me some place which is not in Bombay. So I have my top 3 guesses. Igatpuri hoga, ya Nasik, ya Lonavala. But thinking that it's already late, so I think it's going to be somewhere nearby. So like, you know, Lonavala ke aaju baaju, somewhere like a little near, not super far also.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, aja.
Guess करती रहूँगी.
Keep on guessing.
गिरी ना तो मैं
I have held you, sorry.
My hand.
Yeah, he'll take you. Come, you go.
How you know temperature?
My senses are awakened because I can't like see. So my other senses are very strong right
Very
now.
strong.
so
It's really strong.
Perfect, you're safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
You're still not there, so wait.
We're in the elevator.
Congrats.
I'm super smart.
Go thoda piche because you're cutting the frame. Perfect.
We're in the elevator. Harsh, this is so exciting. I think it is one of the fancy.
I don't know.
It's Trident Oberoi दो में से कुछ पर तुमने Trident बोला था तो मुझे मेरे
We're not in Trident. Remember I was telling you Trident पहले BKC वाला, not this.
नहीं मेरे को तो लग रहा है मेरे को.
I'm telling you it's not Trident. Trust me.
But कुछ तो fancy है कुछ तो. But Amir was coming तो फिर एक बार मेरे कान बंद हो गए. Is it?
I chill.
Top floor में.
We're going on the.
ये कौन है? Sorry.
It's okay. Come.
Okay, I can come.
Yes. Hold my hands. No. Oh yeah, please. If you can do that, that'll be awesome. Open. Yes.
What the hell?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh my god. Shit, there's like balloons everywhere. Oh my god. This is Trident. मेरे को ना बोला था यही Trident है. Guys, this was not expected. For some reason, Bhavish constantly told me that, you know, it's going to be an offbeat place. It's so hard to find, you know, ऐसे the must nature वाली जगह etc. So in my head, I was like, go to like some place which is out of Bombay, you know. So मेरे दिमाग में Bombay था ही नहीं as an option. But at the same time, somewhere, you know, during this year itself, because of the whole concept of staycations, I kind of have become a little, you know, attracted to 5-star hotels and their services. So whenever we used to come to Marine Drive, I would always see Oberoi, Trident, and I would be like, dude, क्या सही लग रहा है, अरे क्या सही लग रहा है. And I think I've said this इतना ज़्यादा that भाविश के दिमाग में ये चीज़ बैठ ही गई है. And he was like, boss, अब तो बर्थडे में इसको 5-star लेके जाना है. Oh, here we are, guys. We're at freaking Trident. Oh my god. Let me show you guys the view. I mean, it's all about the freaking view. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let me just show you all how it looks like. And also look at the decoration. The team literally decorated the place with balloons and stuff, which is so nice. Here is the guy who has done it all.
Yes, that's me.
Yes, that's
So Sneha, how do you feel? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
Of course, this is like priceless. I don't even want to rate it because it's been in my bucket list since forever. And thank you so much. This is pretty insane.
That's what friends are for.
Damn. Oh wow, look at this. The lighting out here is perfect.
Take good photos. We're on the 31st floor and the building has 33 floors.
I still can't get over this view, honestly. It's so beautiful. Imagine waking up to this every morning for the next 3 days. It's absolutely magical. Then enjoying the sunsets here. Just imagine that. It's pretty dope. So yeah, I can't believe I'm here. Always dreamed about this. This is so nice.
Setting up the fridge.
पर सब कूलिंग नहीं हो रहा अंदर, मैंने देखा है. पता नहीं कूलिंग क्यों नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं होगा तो we call them.
मेरे लिए और क्या सरप्राइज प्लान किया है वैसे?
ये सब थोड़ी बोल देते हैं.
पर मैंने ये अच्छा गेस किया था ना.
No.
तुमने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. मैंने जब भी गेस किया तुमने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया जब मैंने सही से गेस किया तो.
तूने टाइम पे गेस किया ही नहीं है.
मैंने किया था. मैंने ट्रिडेंट बोला था, नीचे ही बोला था मैंने. ये तो ये ट्रिडेंट बोलते हैं ट्राइडेंट बोलते हैं. मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ यार. आई गेस प्रॉपर नाउन है तो कुछ. बाकी सब लोग कब आने वाले हैं?
We'll be coming in a while and this will be on the way only. I feel like I'm top of the world.
तुम्हें ये वाला ज़्यादा पसंद है या BKC का ज़्यादा पसंद है?
For the view this, but for the room the BKC one.
है ना?
Yeah, like nothing can like this place is just like awesome because of the view that you're gonna get.
हाँ, मैं तो 10 बार व्यू ही दिखाती
But I think for this, if like I talk of the room and you know the washroom and the space of the room, I think BKC was much bigger than this. Especially the washroom is like very small and tiny. As simple as a shower and the bathtub is in the same area, which usually is supposed to be separate in a 5-star when you take a premium category room. So that's I think a bit disappointing, but I think the view
just makes
like
up for it.
Overpowers everything. Because you're paying for the view, not for the bathroom, I feel.
यार मतलब मैं यहाँ पर देख ही नहीं, मैं कैमरा में देख ही नहीं रही हूँ. I'm like just constantly like glued to the freaking view. You guys, the view is just so good. Yeah.
Not recording, no.
क्या? नहीं रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा.
I can see that recording, Sneha. I'm not Sneha.
Ready?
क्या करना है?
मैं देखो मैं पहले करूँगी इसका, तुम देखना. ऐसे है? फिर रुक गया यार.
गिगी.
ऐसे.
ये क्या दही? ये दूध वो लस्सी ऐसे निकल. दूध मतलब मलाई निकाल के ऐसे खाते हैं. उसके लिए बटर. ओ दूध यार. मक्खन ऐसे निकालते हैं ना दूध. वो देखा अक्षय कुमार का वीडियो, वो ऐसे करके छाट रहा होता है, फिर बता उल्टी करते करते.
अरे लेकिन
That's butter. तुमने मेरे को जाना था. क्या डिलीट?
So वो इसलिए because you know people who have like hearing problems and all that, तो sign language से you know when they can understand music, तो इस वजह से they have sign language in the entire choreography. Isn't that so neat of them? Let's go PDS.
Yeah, can you find logic in what you just
अरे
said?
logic है. पहले तुम सीखो मेरे साथ. 5 देखो देखो ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करो. 1 2 3 4.
अरे मैं जैसे कर रहा था.
और फिर उसका 1 2 2 3 4. फिर 1 2 3 4. Balloon. Ready?
अच्छा. तो सच में पूरा डिलीट कर.
कितने सुरीले हैं हम. Oh God. Hi guys, welcome back. So it is my birthday eve. It is 9 o'clock, yeah, 9:22 right now, and we're going to go have dinner. My makeup for the evening. Wow, कितना attractive angle लिया है मैंने. But basically, I don't know whether you can see, but I've done like a little bit of eye makeup, added a little bit of shimmer, because you know you've got to look like the birthday girl. But yeah, I'm so excited. We're going to this really cool place in Mahalakshmi. I think it's right in the middle of the race course, but I don't know much because Bhavish has kept it a surprise. So not really aware about the name and everything, but all I know is that it's in Mahalakshmi. So really pumped up to go there. And I don't know whether you guys know, but I love long drives. So going right from Nariman Point to there is going to be a nice drive for us. So I'm really excited. And yeah, yay! We're going, we're rolling, we're going, we're rolling. Bhavish Choksi, Bhavish Samaha. Wow, the roads are so messed up, yeah. Like, I don't know whether you guys can understand, but this part of the vlog is going to be a little bit shaky because
yeah, the roads are very much messed up. Just like Sneha's life.
Listen, my life is very sorted. I तो feel like actually no, it's not very sorted. किसकी life sorted है भाई? जिसकी life sorted है वो रहने दे. खुद भी confused है कि क्या करना है जिंदगी में, ठीक है ना? Everyone is confused right now.
Ambani.
I don't know whether he's sorted or not. I think everyone has their own shit to deal with. Yeah, no, but that's how it is. I don't think anyone is sorted except monks, I guess, because they're like हमने सब माया छोड़ दिया.
Even they need to know how much more do I need to get to Nirvana and stuff.
Now that is also a possibility.
No one in
but I feel like some of the monks, they are in this zone where, you know, obviously they want to progress and everything, but at the same time they don't let it get to them in a very negative way. You know, there are some of those kind also who are over that level, you know, above that whole thought process. जहाँ पर they try to be happy and you know all that and not really get you know negative emotions to them. अब पता नहीं है, ऐसा मेरा thinking है. कोई ऐसे होते होंगे.
ऐसा मेरा प्यार है जहाँ तुझे दिया है बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं. मुझे सिर्फ मेरा ऐसा थिंकिंग है ना, it is like that song is talking to me. भूल नहीं जाना रे.
बस तुम्हें टक्कर देने आ रहा है ब्रो. Bhavish Choksi.
Bacha, if you're hearing me out or something, I'm okay for a collab.
I'm okay for a collab.
But I charge.
Camera is shaking. It's insane. Oh god.
Doom masale.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, we're gonna be past
soon, so.
the curfew time apparently, but who cares? It's Bombay. Everyone is going beyond 10. Pineapple है उसमें, fresh pineapple. You read right?
Pineapple juice, na? Yeah, it's not gonna be pieces, so then it's cool.
I love the sauce, spicy and nice. You like that? Happy birthday to you.
Hello Didi. Thank you.
रात को 1 बजे हम लोग के फ्रेंड्स थोड़े आए थे कॉलेज वाले, और अच्छे कपड़े पहन वो लोग आ रहे हैं. कौन देखता है इतने लोग पहन अच्छे कपड़े.
आयुषी को भी तैयार होना बाकी है. Yes. फिलहाल उसका देख लो. I look very ugly. And you don't look ugly. अपने नाखून को दिखाइए जरा. ये मैंने नेल पेंट किया. अब मेरा हो रहा है.
ऑर्डर किया है क्योंकि हम लोग मूड ओनली.
इसका शक्ल देखो.
अभी तुम नाचो ना पर. Okay.